야보이코이 뻥뻥! I can't help but I can't help but procrastinate to avoid studying. How does Moko-chan deal with procrastination? P.S. I'm procrastinating right now.
Don't worry. The most important thing is that you don't beat yourself up about it. But I think more importantly is that maybe... Did you make a weird sound? More importantly is that you take a proper break when you need a proper break. And give that to yourself. So that then when you need to work, you can work.
I think the best way to avoid procrastinating, too, even though it was asked, I'll say my opinion. Is to turn off your brain. Just do it. Become a robot. A robot that only does.
I am Robo Coco. I am Robo Mobo.
You're gonna become Robo Senpai if you're not careful.
Robo Moco. I wanna go Robo Mobo.